everyone, I'm Isha, and for today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to personalize your app icons. And no, not just changing colors, but choosing your own image to make your home screen truly you. So let's go!
To add a personalized icon, we'll be using the Shortcuts app. Here's how. First, open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner, then choose Open App. Tap the word App and search for the app you want to create a shortcut for. For me, it's gonna be Spotify. Once you've selected your app, tap the drop-down arrow and choose Add to Home Screen. Here's where the magic happens. You can opt to choose a symbol and a color, or, in this case, we will use an image. So click Image, choose Photo, then choose the photo you want to be the icon, and when you're happy with it, click Add. It should be there in your home screen. You can even drag it wherever you like. And once it's okay, when you click it, it should go directly to your chosen app. And that's it. You've got a gorgeous personalized shortcut ready to go. This one's for my girls who want their phone to look just as aesthetic as their Pinterest boards. Until next Tuesday, bye!